Xin chào, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make peanut butter sauce. Eat with spring rolls. Let me show you what we need.
You're not normal.
We will need some garlic, white onion, hoisin, some peanut butter, some coconut milk, water, and sugar. That's all we need. So I turn on medium high heat. First, I will get some oil, just a little bit, like 1 tablespoon of oil. Quick. And I will put garlic, onion first. You will saute until the onion and the garlic brown. And then next, you can put the coconut inside. Just be careful and burn, okay? Put some coconut inside. And then next, you put peanut butter. And then you put the hoisin. This sauce really yummy, creamy and sweet. My kid.
I don't know why I had to laugh.
You will need some sugar, a little water, simmer until not boil, but simmer until you see a little bubble coming up. Turn off the heat. Okay, we have to turn off the heat. Move out here. Okay, and now let me check the flavor. This is awesome. So you just follow me how much I use. I will write down under my video, and you just make it and enjoy it. You will love it. Have a beautiful sauce. Look. Easy and really quick. Hope you enjoy with my cooking, and see you next time. Bye bye.